old lady.
Oldie?
Oh, and then Missy decides to give us a bunch of clothes. I'm like,
Wow.
nice.
Is that Anthony? Oh, he must be trying to start it.
I feel the vibration between my legs. I'm enjoying it.
What are you doing?
No, I'm trying to get a good picture.
Yeah, it's probably videotaping me eating behind your back.
Eating.
Oh, there goes that snowmobile.
This is bad cam, guys. This is bad cam.
Oh, shit. I
Look,
need help.
this is bad cam.
Who the fuck is going though?
I either.